Hey bro, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix HP laptop blue screen error. When your HP laptop gets a blue screen, it means it is experiencing a problem. Generally, completing a reboot after the computer collects the error will solve most of the problems. However, there are some issues that can cause the laptop to fail to boot up and to experience the blue screen error again. So, we're gonna break it down into two scenarios. In the first case, if you have access to the system desktop and can use the desktop features, then you can click the Start option to open the startup menu. Click the Power option to expand it. Then you need to hold down the Shift key and click the Restart option. This will allow you to quickly start your computer's advanced startup mode. After waiting for the computer to reboot, here's where we need to come. This is the first case. Then the second case is that you can't access the system desktop. At the time of booting up your computer will show the blue screen error again. After the computer repeats the blue screen of death twice, the computer will enable the startup repair function. However, the startup repair feature does very little and eventually prompts that the computer cannot be repaired. You need to click on the Advanced Options button in the bottom right corner. This turns on the Advanced Startup options. Then we have to select Troubleshooting and Advanced Options. Select Startup Settings here. We need to enable Safe Mode through it. Click Restart to go to the Startup Settings list. Here we have to press number 5 to enable Safe Mode with networking. Wait for your computer system to boot into Safe Mode. In Safe Mode, we need to press Windows and R to open the Run window. Type CMD and press Ctrl-Shift-Enter. This is the shortcut to run the command prompt as an administrator. In the black window that appears, you will have to execute some commands. You can get the commands in the description at the bottom of the video. Now enter the first command, sfc /scannow. Press the Enter key. This command will consume some time. It will scan all types of system files for corrupt files to repair. I am speeding up the video here a bit. Once done, you need to execute the next command, Chkdsk C, then press the Enter key. This command will scan the status of the system disk and check for damaged sectors to repair. The scanning will take a long time and you need to be patient. Once done, you need to execute the Windows System Image Online Recovery command. The command is quite long and you need to type it carefully. Press Enter and wait for the scanning progress to load to 100. Once done, you are required to press the arrow up key. This will automatically enter the last executed command. We need to change the last parameter in the command. Then press the Enter key to execute the System Image Check function. Once it is done, repeat the operation again. Change the last parameter in the command. Press the Enter key to execute the System Image Recovery command. Wait for the progress to load to 100. Okay, this executes the full restoration command. Next, you need to reboot your HP laptop. This will exit the safe mode of the Windows system. If Windows finishes booting, this means that the blue screen error is fixed. Okay, this is all about fixing the HP laptop's blue screen error. Maintaining a good Windows update habit can save your computer from errors caused by viruses or compatibility. I hope my video can help you. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I will post more videos on fixing computers. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Let's see you in the next video.